American or British pancakes are usually made using modern flour or maida, which makes for a much better texture. Water in the batter has been replaced with milk or even buttermilk in some cases, which provides a richer, fuller taste. People also use beaten. Repeat this word, beaten. It means stirred eggs to make the flour and the milk, buttermilk or water blend, means mix batter. This has the added benefit of making the pancake fluffier because of the airy egg whites within and nutritious too. Now, American or British pancakes. American and British pancakes are prepared with modern flour, or we can say maida, because it gives a better texture to the batter. And instead of using water, they use milk, which enhance the texture of the, which enhance the taste of the batter. Some people also use beaten egg to the flour and the milk and mix it properly. It makes the pancake fluffier, and because of airy white content of the egg, it also adds nutrition to the pancake. A batter made using these easily available and affordable. Repeat this word, affordable means inexpensive. Ingredients can be used to make multiple pancakes in a matter of mere minutes using a simple frying pan and a little bit of butter. The overall result is a substantially yummier pancake than our caveman ancestors who would have eaten. Now, this batter, which is made with easily available and expensive ingredients, can be used to make several pancakes in a very few minutes with the help of a simple fry pan and a little butter. At last, we will get a yummy pancake more than that which our ancestors have eaten. But as we saw earlier, pancakes are made differently in different parts of the world. As we read earlier, pancake is eaten in every part of the world. This is because the wheat does not grow very well every year, but also probably because other food grains are easily grown elsewhere. People try to use different pulses. Successful recipes have been passed down the generations, with each generation adding their own twist over time. Additionally, pancakes are also accompanied by a variety of different sauces or toppings. As a result, we can now find pancakes in virtually every part of the world, each with their unique taste and texture, but also shapes and styles of eating. Let's look at how different people enjoy pancakes in various parts of the world. As we read earlier, pancake is eaten in different parts of the world, but wheat does not grow everywhere. So people used different grains to make pancake. They use different grains like pulses. They use pulses in making batter of the pancake. Its recipe has been changed from generation to generation, and successful recipes move on to next generation. With each generation, people add their own taste to the recipe, and it's served with different things like sauces and toppings. Now we can find pancake with different taste and texture in many parts of the world. It may also have different shapes. It may also have different styles of eating also, depending on the variety of the pancake. Now we will study how people enjoy or how people have pancakes in different parts of the world. In France, there are two common styles of making pancakes. The most popular variants are called crepes, which are thin pancakes served with sweet toppings such as fresh fruits, ice creams, jams, and chocolate spreads. Additionally, crepes can also be stuffed with savory fillings such as cheese, meat, seafood, and spinach. They are then folded into a triangular or conical shape and served. Another classic French pancake made using buckwheat. Repeat this word. Buckwheat means it's a seed. It's a kind of seed. Instead of regular wheat flour is called galette. So, in France, there are two types of pancake. The first one is crepes. In crepes, it's a kind of thin pancake. It is very thin and it's served with sweet toppings. It is sweet in taste. The toppings used in this pancakes are fresh fruits, ice cream, jams, chocolate spreads. Now, in addition to this, it can also be stuffed with spicy and salty fillings like cheese, meat, seafood, and spinach. After filling, it folded into a triangular shape or into a conical shape, and after that it's served with different sauces and toppings. Another category of pancake that is more popular in France is classic French pancake, which is made using buckwheat. So for making that pancake, it is made with buckwheat and instead of the regular wheat flour. Means in making classic French pancake, we use buckwheat flour instead of regular wheat flour, and that pancake is called galette. If we move to Central Europe, in countries like Austria, Hungary, and Slovakia, there is a tradition of stuffing pancakes. A pre-cooked filling of steamed, repeat this word, steamed means cooked slowly, meats and vegetables is wrapped in a roll, just like people wrap gifts with pretty paper. Stack of these rolls are then cooked and served with a rich, creamy sauce on top. There are countless local variations of each from region to region, but each and every one is guaranteed to be very tasty. Now, if we move towards the Central Europe part, now the countries of this region like Austria, Hungary, Slovenia, now people mostly prepare here the stuffing pancake, means there is the tradition of stuffing pancakes, in which they stuff the pancakes with pre-cooked filling, which is made with meats, vegetables, and they wrapped this stuffing in a roll, just like as we wrap the gifts. So they wrapped it into a roll and they cooked these rolls, this bunch of rolls, they cooked these rolls and served with rich creamy sauce. Now there are more than these, there are also different varieties of pancakes in these regions, but it is sure that each and every category of these pancakes should be very tasty.